Welcome you to Channel Aquaculture Farm. Our conger fishing trips target the bigger conger eels without having too many anglers on the boat, which would reduce your chances of hooking or landing the personal best you are looking for. So if you want to catch our hardest fighting sea fish, book a trip on Great Viking out of Brighton and we'll take you to the wrecks that the biggest conger live on. The conger eel can grow to spectacular proportions. Specimens from boats fishing over wrecks have been landed conger eels of more than 40 kilograms. The conger eel is found all around the coast of Britain. It favors wrecks, reefs and rough, rocky habitats. During the hours of darkness they tend to swim in shallower waters closer to the shore. Conger eels are heavy, powerful fish. We will be using a well-built boat rods and a sturdy multiplier reels with plenty of heavy-duty fishing line. Large weights will be used to keep the bait deep in the water. A general rule followed by anglers is the bigger the fish you're after, then, the bigger the bait you need. This rule certainly applies to conger eel fishing, but something that I have learned over the years is that big baits do catch big fish. To fish for eels we need a very long reel. Every 5 meters they are connected to a small piece with a hook. The angler will hook the bait and drop it into the sea until the end of the reel, then connect the reel to a locating buoy. One of the most successful baits used for conger is freshly caught mackerel. Made into a flapper, this is an entire mackerel with the backbone and guts removed. The side fillets of the mackerel flap around in the swell of the tide. This movement resembles an injured or vulnerable fish and will prove irresistible to a hungry predator. Full large squid, cuttlefish and bluey can also catch big eels, while some anglers have success using rocking or pouting as bait, as these species are likely food sources which conger eels will come across in their natural environment. Longline fishing, or longlining, is a commercial fishing angling technique that uses a long main line with baited hooks attached at intervals via short branch lines called snoods or gudgeons. A snood is attached to the main line using a clip or swivel, with a hook at the other end. Long lines are classified mainly by where they are placed in the water column. This can be at the surface or at the bottom. Lines can also be set by means of an anchor, or left to drift. Hundreds or even thousands of baited hooks can hang from a single line. Long lines can be set to hang near the surface, pelagic long line, to catch fish such as tuna and swordfish or along the sea floor, demersal long line, for ground fish such as halibut or cod.